If you're like me, you spend a lot of time watching YouTube movie reviewers, or maybe you just like to watch movies in general. If so, you've probably wanted to make some sort of video yourself. If you're an amateur and want to make a short film, I'm going to show you how to do just that, because I'm not a professional either. So the first thing you want to figure out is, what are you going to write about? Start broad with the genre. I'm awful at writing stories, so I based my film off of a creepypasta. So I'm making a film in the horror genre. Make sure to research the genre you're writing in so that you can get the general idea of what you need to do to satisfy the needs of that genre. Also, make sure that you take into account who and what you have to use. You shouldn't make a film about the 19th century royal family if the only available set and actors you have is your house and 2 other people. Now here comes the actual filming. You're gonna need a few things, like a laptop or a phone with some sort of video editing software. My MacBook comes with iMovie if you couldn't already tell I was using it. And of course, your lovely actors. Yes, you will need a camera. Before you can even do any filming, you're gonna have to research what things you will need to make your film look the way you want. As far as lighting goes, if I was making a romantic comedy film, I would probably want lots of softboxes for a strong, even light to have an uplifting tone. In my case, since I'm making a scary film, I want the lighting to be grimmer, so I only use the lights in my house to have a more natural feel to it. Next is how you actually film this thing. For me, I used a lot of handheld angles to add to the intimacy and tension, making the audience feel like they're there with the character. Now you've filmed everything. Time to edit. And you guessed it, you'll need to do research. Every genre does it differently, but figure out how you want your specific film to be edited. Horror movies tend to have lingering shots and suspenseful music, so I wanted to play into that trope a little bit. This whole process is very individualistic and can be tailored to what you want. There's no right way to make a movie, so have fun with it.